Name Don, bro. Here to support my man Bandino. Me and my man's got like 15 up under my belt, you know what I'm saying? So here represent.
Sam, dog, support my man's Bandino, baby. MOMT Productions, and we out here at the location for my man's Bandino video shoot. Myself, Man of Many Talents. I am the director. I got my co-director behind the lens, and he getting to be behind the scenes. Shout out to him. Shout out to High Power ENT. We rolling. Some little GSC, good Girl Scout cookies. You know, high powered shit, everything high powered, man. Money, music, weed, and Glocks, nigga. We going through the shot list, but I'm rolling right now, so we can actually capture natural motion. So hey, let me get the fuck on. Give me that little throw your hand up like bitch. Get the fuck on. Fuck on. Let me get one. Let me get one from you too, bro. Fuck on. Tell that bitch get the fuck on. Fuck on, bitch. Bitch. Baby girl, if you ain't talking, what you say?
If you ain't talking about no rag games, you can keep the twat.
What, you can keep the
Why
twat?
do you say twat?
Twat.
Hey, what we doing on twat? We doing that.
Let's fuck on.
Like, get the fuck on.
Fuck on. We don't want that shit.
That shit hard.
I don't like bitches anyway, for real. Bruh.
Right now, what I'm doing is I want to get candid moments, so I'm just getting them talking and shit, and it's gonna be slow motion for the video.
Stop playing, man. What you drinking on? I ain't drinking on that. I'm just smoking.
3, 2, and gotta go down for you. But no. Why you do that?
Nigga making people laugh, bro.
Stop it, then I'm gonna let y'all know where y'all can stand.
For sure.
So you gonna go first. You pull out that way. Put your wheel to the left. Stop. It's MOMT Productions. We got the gang out here. We just wrapped up a video shoot with my dog. Now you see how I shoot my shit, bro. It's shit hard.